Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So this is the first calculation. So the shortage is 200,000 and interest per annum is 9%. Okay. So the period is 6%. Okay, this one we extract from here, and then first step you need to calculate the interest. Okay, the interest is how to get the interest is 200,000 multiplied by, okay, the formula is 200,000 multiplied by 9% multiplied by 6 over 12. Okay, alright, so this, okay, 6 over 12 month. Alright, so you will get 6 over 12 months. So when you calculate, you will get 9,000. So you will settle it the first part, that is a interest. Okay, and then we move to calculate the step 2. You need to calculate the 10%, that is a compensating balance. So how you get a compensating balance is 200,000 multiplied by the 10%. So you will get the compensating balance is 20,000. Right, now you will get the interest, you get the compensating balance, so you can work out how to calculate E the step 3, that is a IER. Okay, the formula is interest divided by shortage minus short compensating balance multiplied by 12 over 6. Okay, so this is per annum, so will 6 is come from 6 months of shortage. Alright, so you will get interest 9,000, and then the compensating balance is 200,000 minus compensating balance, so you will get 180. Okay, so the period is 12 divided by 6, so you will get 2. The period will be divided by 2, so the EIR is equal to 10%. Alright, so when you calculate, it will not be in percentage, but you need to convert into a percentage. Alright, so it will be acceptable that, okay, how to get the marks is okay, how to get the marks will be 1 mark here, 1 mark here, 2 marks here, so you will get 2 marks because 1 2 3 4, so you will 4 divided by 0.5, you will get 2 marks. So now we go for the second alternative. Alright, we go for the second alternative. Okay, second alternative. Okay, as usual, we use shortage 200,000 and interest per annum is 10.5, and then period is for 6 months. So this is already provided. Step 1, calculate the interest. Okay, we need to calculate the interest. So how to calculate the interest? 200,000 multiplied by 10.5%. So this is 6 period of 12 months, so you will get 10,500. And then you need to calculate the cash flow for unused portion. So how to calculate the unused portion? So you need to calculate, alright, okay, 200,000 minus, okay, 250,000 is your revolving credit, so you minus with only the shortage that you want to use is 200,000. So from the balance itself, we multiply by 4%, so we will get 2,000. Okay, again, 250,000 minus 200,000, because the facility will give to you is 250,000, but you only want to use 200,000, so you will get 50,000 excess. So the unused fund multiplied by 5% of commitment fee, so you will get 2,000. Alright, for the step to calculate EIR for is interest plus unused portion interest. So this is the interest charge 4%, this is interest 10.5%. So divided by shortage. So this one you will get 12,500. You total up, then you will divide it by 200,000. Okay, so you will, after you divide it by 200,000, so you will get the period is still the same, divided by 2. Okay, the EIR is interest plus unused portion interest divided by shortage, multiply by 12, you will get 12.50%, 12.5%. Okay, 12.5%. All right, so you will calculate, you will get 12.5%. All right, so how did you get the marks? Okay, this is 3 marks. So you will see one tick here, calculate unused portion is double tick, and then this is triple tick. 6 tick divided by 0.5, you will get 3 marks. That's why you need to show your calculation. Alright, we move. The last one is alternative 3. So in the alternative 3, you will get 200,000 shortage, 6 is period, interest per annum is 8%. Okay, as usual, step 1, you need to calculate the interest. The interest is 8,000. How you get 8,000? 200,000 multiplied by 8% multiplied by 6 month for 12 month. Okay, for 12 month here, right? 12 month. Okay, because the interest is per annum, so you will get 8,000. All right, and then in a commercial paper you need to calculate the number of paper that you will issue. So how to calculate the number of paper is so simple. Our shortage divided by the value of paper. So the value of paper is 1,000, so you will get 200 paper. Okay, this is not a monetary value because it's number of paper issue. So the flotation cost is 50 ringgit per paper. So 200, okay, 200 multiplied by 50 ringgit per paper, so you will get 10, you will get 10,000. Okay, so the interest plus a flotation cost, interest plus a flotation cost, you will get 18,000. So shortage minus interest minus a flotation cost, so you will get 182,000. So this one divided by this one, so you will get, and then don't forget about the period. Okay, the period is we calculate for this portion, and then we'll get interest cost is 2%. It's 19, it's not 2%, but it's a 19.78%. So you will see alternative 3 is more highest charges interest. Okay, the second one it will be 12.5%, and then the lowest one is 10% for loan compensating balance. So what we should do for the last step is choose the best and reason why I choose it. Okay, for this reason I would choose this one because it's 10% charges, and it will really give you a lower cost because interest is a finance cost for us. So one tick for 10%, one tick for the reason, so you will get 2 marks. So easily you will get 10 full marks for this calculation. So I hope you can try for the next question, December 2018 or June 2019. So you, in this I will calculate it. Okay, you will choose it based on the lowest cost. Alright, that's all for this video. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.